Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor faucet covers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Frost King Outdoor Foam Faucet Cover. This foam faucet cover is made from 0.6 3-inch thick polystyrene, and it has a 0.7 5-inch tall softer foam gasket around the base. The foam gasket fills in gaps between the faucet cover and the wall or fence that houses the faucet being protected, so you can use this cover even on walls that have siding or other uneven surfaces. The faucet cover measures 8 inches high, and the opening at the base is 5.5 x 6 inches, tapering down to 3 inches at the top. That's large enough to cover most typical hose spigots, but if yours has a large handle, the cover might not be big enough to cover it completely, so be sure to measure before purchasing. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Duck brand Insulated Soft Flexible Faucet Cover. If you have milder winters and just want to protect your faucets in the most cost-effective way, these sock covers from Duck brand provide good insulation at a lower price than others. Made from weather-resistant fabric, they're good for occasional freezing weather. We especially like the drawstring closure used by these sock-style covers, which makes it really easy to secure them in place and then remove them when the faucet is needed. That makes them good for areas with fluctuating temperatures, because removing them to use the faucet is so effortless. These faucet covers are typically priced about 25% less per cover than our best sock recommendation, which is only available in 2 and 4 packs. Good news if your home only has one outdoor faucet. These don't seal against your house quite as well, but you're better off with a hard cover if you're dealing with cold enough temperatures for that to matter. At number 3, we have the Redford Supply Company Cold Snap Insulated Sprinkler Cover. These soft covers come in a wide range of sizes, so you can find one to fit just about any set of valves or backflow protectors. With multiple layers of insulation that include polyester, cotton, and foil, they provide a lot of protection to outdoor fixtures that would otherwise be really difficult to keep from freezing. This huge cover, 16 inches wide and 20 inches tall, will slip over most outdoor plumbing fittings, protecting them from freezes, rain, wind, intense UV radiation, and other weather conditions. The outside of the cover is 600 denier Oxford polyester, which is supremely strong and waterproof, and it also has foil sandwiched between an additional layer of cotton for even more protection. At number 2, we have the Arty Gifts Pro Outdoor Faucet Cover Sock. Here's a sturdy sock-style faucet cover that will keep your hose spigot well protected from frost, rain, sleet, and other tough weather conditions all season long. Made of Oxford polyester filled with thick insulating cotton, these soft covers are flexible enough to easily slide over your outdoor faucet and then fasten in place with the strong drawstring. As long as you secure the drawstring tightly, the sock will stay in place even when the wind kicks up. You get a pack of 2 of the covers, which measure 7.7 inches tall x 5.9 inches wide. That's big enough for most typical hose bibs, but it might not be large enough to fit over a bulky lever handle or a very wide round handle. And finally, at number 1, we have the Frost King Plastic Faucet Cover. It's a 1-inch thick cover made of polystyrene foam with a hard plastic shell. It will keep your hose bib or other small plumbing fixtures safe from snow, rain, wind, and freezing temperatures year after year, as long as you store it properly during the off-season. The faucet cover secures to your hose spigot with a rubber cord that loops over the faucet's handle on one end and clips to the top of the cover on the other. It measures 6.25 inches tall, x 6.5 inches wide, x 5.5 inches deep on the outside. Note, however, that the foam fills quite a bit of the inside, so the inner measurements are around an inch smaller, making this a tight fit over anything but a standard hose bib. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.